Very slow MongoDB count in big database. I have a database with a collection in it with a large amount of documents, several millions. In this database I have, amongst others, the fields _violation type, int, and _duration, int. Now I would like to count the amount of documents that have a _violation type of 15 or less and a _duration of 10 or less. To do this I execute the following Python script. This prints out. While running this I also executed db.currentTop in another window, which returned. Now I have read that the most common source for slow MongoDB queries is missing indexes. However, I have ensured indexes for both _violation type and _duration, and the explain tells me indexonly, true. I also read that a NUMA architecture could slow things down and that I should start the service via the command. Which I know have done, but it still takes about a minute for this count and even longer for others, so I was wondering what to do to make the query faster. Running. In the Mongo shell has also been tried with no luck. Any suggestions on how to get the counts much faster? The MongoDB version is 2.4.9.
If you look at your explain output, you will see that the query that was using _violation type is scanning only 124 objects, and that the query using _duration is scanning 6,244,545 objects. Although MongoDB 2.6 Plus can use index intersection, compound index will always be faster. You need to create a compound index on those fields. Edit. In versions 2.4, MongoDB performance was significantly improved, Jira 1752. Also, it's worth noticing that explain command is displaying details for a query not count command. Unfortunately, you can't use explain on a count command, but there is a ticket opened for that issue. To measure the performance of only the count command, you should probably remove explain from your test. Also, you need to repeat the query multiple times, 100x, 1000x, and take an average to get an correct value.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.